Hello everyone and welcome back to my video. Um, Thanks for watching again, and in today's video I'm gonna make some lobster tail on the Weber kettle with butter, lemon, corn and roasted potato in the oven. I also have here salt, pepper and garlic. It's first time doing this lobster, so let's see how it's gonna end up. So I bought this fresh. It's 4 ounces, 4 or 5 ounces each. So let's get into this. First we gotta cut through the shell in here, like from here to here, and open it up, put the spices in, and then jump it on the grill. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, let's see. Alright. Sounds crunchy. Alright, let's see. It's cuts easier than expected. Okay, that's one. Let's see what's going on here. Let's see if I can open it up. It should come right up. I guess the more you do it, more better you get at it. So let's see. Alright, this doesn't look too pretty, I guess, but I'm gonna take this aside. There we go. That's not the best one, but let's get into the next one. The one to have any shells in it. Let's see. Let's try this one. It will be easier if I just lay it flat. It's hard. You can get cut in those. Come on. There we go. There we go. Nice. That should do it in this one. Alright, let me go ahead and finish all of those. Alright, so it took me like 5 minutes. Probably this is the best one I did so far. Getting better at it. So right now, we gotta get some oil in here. This olive oil, just a little bit on all of them. Okay. Let's see, right there. Nice. Nice. Let me put this aside. So get some olive oil and rub it in like so. Nice. Okay. Alright, so now it's time to put some garlic powder. Like this. Nice and easy everywhere. There we go. Okay. Pepper, fresh grounded pepper. Okay. And also some salt everywhere. Okay. Yeah, with my knife, have butter over here. Let me see if I can put all this in here. you go. Okay, I'm gonna move the camera so you can see better. That's how it came out. All right, have some lemon over here. Let me cut it. There we go. Get some lemon juice, almost iced, I guess. Top right here. Okay. All right, it's time to get the fire going. Okay, have the Weber performer and the Weber chimney in here. Put some lamp charcoal and I put the fire starter over here. There we go. Okay. Alright, I'll be back when the fire is ready. Alright, so that's the lobster right here, it's ready. I also have some parsley fresh, I just cut it. Butter, so I'm gonna use this slices to put it in here when it's almost ready. And I also have some corn. I put salt and pepper and how's it called? Garlic. So yeah, I'll see you back in a minute. Alright, grits are in. I'm gonna let the grits to heat up, and I'm gonna brush them, and then it's gonna be ready for the lobster. Okay. Alright, so the fire is ready. It's around 350, 400. I'm gonna put this on, I guess, like that. Okay. Also, I'm gonna put the corn in there right now too. Okay. Alright, I'll leave this in here for 3-4 minutes. I'll come back and check on this. Alright guys, it's been like 2 minutes. Let me get my tools. I don't wanna overdo it in here because I'm gonna put them on the indirect. So let's see. Try changing the colors. I have a hard time. Okay. I'm gonna turn this around a little bit. There we go. Oh nice, look at that red color. Okay. Okay, I'll let them chill like that for 2 minutes, and then I'm gonna put them on the indirect side of the grill. Alright. Okay, now the 2 minutes is passed. I guess I'm gonna get those and put on the side like that. There we go. Let me get this corn in there. Okay. One more. There we go. Nice lined up. Okay, let's check on this corn. This corn's gonna take a while. Okay. Alright guys, now it's it's time for the butter, so I'm gonna put some more lime on those. Okay, and also gonna add the butter as well. There we go. It should melt very nice. There we go. Okay. Alright. Also let me check the temperature before. I don't want to make it overdone. So the lobster tail is done at around 140 degrees, internal. So let me see if I can check. 70, 93, 98. It's around 101 right now, so it's good. Alright, let me close the lid back on. Alright, it's been another 2 minutes, so let's check. Let's see, make sure everything is in focus here. Look at this image right here, it's very nice. Butter melt started to melt down, it's melted over there already. So let me check for doneness again. It's a very slow thermometer, but it still has some way to. Let me check another one. It's around 100, 110. Okay. Okay, let me check on the corn. The corn is coming nice too. There we go. I guess I'm gonna put the butter on the corn as well. There we go, right there. Let me see if I can go closer or focus on the corn as well. Yeah, right there. Okay. Let me put the lid back on. It smells really good in here. Alright, let's take a look. See that smoke rolling up. Look at those colors, guys. Okay, let's let me spin. I forgot about this. Oh yeah, look at that. You can see, but I'll show you in a second. Look at this. Okay. Let me check the doneness on the lobster tail. It's around 115. So it's better to take your time on this. You don't want to overdo it. If it's gonna be 160, it's not gonna taste good. It's gonna taste like burnt. So better wait on it. Alright. Look at this beautiful sunset. It's very nice to watch. Those colors are very, very nice. You can see the smoke rolling in on the side, on the left side. Let's see. It's 1:32 right now, so I'll say 3 more minutes. 4 more minutes. Let me check on this one too. Oh, it goes in like butter, so nice. Yep, so around 1:30, 1:30, all of them. Let me see what can I do about this corn. I guess I'm gonna put the parsley on this. There we go. Look at that. I have a lot of it in here, so I'm gonna just sprinkle everywhere. Nice. Alright guys, so I end up putting the lobster closer to the fire for the last 5 degrees. So yeah, it's ready right now. Let me check the corn. Corn is very nice and soft, looks like. Oh yeah, I can't wait to eat this. Lobster looks ready. Uh, but let me move the camera and get this off. Let's see. Actually, I'm gonna get this off like this. Now I'm gonna give you a closer look to it. It's first time doing lobster, so hopefully it's gonna be really tasty. Okay. Right there. And last one. Let me see if I can move the camera closer. So there we go. Let me refocus. Yep, that's it right there. I'm gonna eat this with the corn, and also my wife's got some roasted potatoes in the oven. They should be ready in 10 minutes. So yeah, that's how we make lobsters. First time doing it, so it should be easy. Just follow my steps. You know, looks delicious in here. Thanks for watching, and please watch my other videos as well. And be safe out there. Keep on grinding and grilling, of course. Peace.